Hi, I'm Tim Roble and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. I've had a few questions about how I cook in the adventure truck, and I've been telling people I do a one-pan cooking, and that's what I have going here. I have some ribeye pork chops, some cut up onions, and some asparagus, and you see that the one pan matches the size of my plate. So everything that I want to cook, sometimes I'll need to put the meat down a little earlier or a frozen vegetable down before anything else. But it's just a simple way to cook on a one burner stove that happens to pull out of the drawer that I have set up. Today I have a special treat that my neighbor Lawrence, that I'm camping next to here at the Rally on the Rocks, he gave me some Santa Fe Ortega chilies. He's from New Mexico, and he brought those with me, and he's been nice enough to share. So after I flip this plate, I'll add the chilies to it, and that'll be a nice little addition to eating tonight. While I'm thinking about that, I wanted to talk about kind of the layout and the setup and what I think about the adventure truck for the interior. Now, this is a small space. We're only looking at 7.5 feet, and the roof is 4 foot wide. But what this does do is it allows me to sit on the couch and cook. And normally I even have the TV running, but I turned it off for this video. Just usually have the entertainment going. Once again, the refrigerator freezer is right here. Cutting board that you can cut and put the onions, stuff in the garbage, garlic. Really worked out well, and I'm super pleased with how everything has worked. This is like day 5 in a row now, living in this on the road and attending Rally on the Rocks, and I still have about another 18 days to go on my trip. So that's going to be it for now on this. Once again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching my videos, giving me thumbs up, subscribing, and I always enjoy the comments below. If you have any questions or think I could do things a little different or better, please hit me up in the comments below. That's going to be it for today. I'm Tim Roble. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you here next time.